Imagine this. You've just pulled off a coastal highway. The sun is dipping low, painting the sky in shades of orange and pink. You step out of your motorhome, not into a cramped campsite, but onto your own private deck overlooking the ocean. You take a deep breath. The air smells like salt and pine. There's no rush, no schedule, no noise. Just you, the road, and the freedom to go wherever the wind takes you. Now, imagine that feeling every single time you stop. Not just surviving on the road, but truly living in luxury. That's exactly what the Challenger 3048 promises. And today, we're going to step inside and see if it delivers. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of trading the 9-to-5 for the open highway, stick around, because this motorhome might just be your ticket to freedom. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the brand new Challenger 3048. And I'm not going to bore you with specs that put you to sleep. I want to show you why this rig is turning heads at every RV park. From its hidden seating that folds away like magic, to a shower that actually feels like a spa, and a master bedroom that puts some apartments to shame. But before we get into it, drop a comment below. Tell me, what's the one thing you absolutely cannot live without in a motorhome? Is it a huge kitchen? A comfy bed? Or maybe a bathroom that doesn't feel like a closet? Let me know. I read every single comment. Alright, buckle up. Let's walk through the Challenger 3048. Let's start outside, because first impressions matter. And this motorhome knows how to make an entrance. The Challenger 3048 sits on a sturdy, reliable chassis that gives it a commanding presence on the road. But here's the thing, it's not obnoxiously huge. You're not going to white-knuckle it through every mountain pass. It's long enough to give you space, but short enough that you can still park it in most RV spots without breaking a sweat. Now, look at the paint job. The exterior features sleek, full-body paint with aerodynamic graphics that flow like water. It's modern, it's bold, and it turns heads at every fuel stop. But this isn't just about looking good. It's built tough. The fiberglass roof and sidewalls are designed to handle rain, sun, and everything in between. No leaks, no worries. Walk around to the passenger side, and you'll notice the massive power awning. With just the push of a button, it extends out to create an outdoor living room. Perfect for those lazy afternoons with a cold drink in your hand and a good book. There's even an outdoor entertainment center with a TV and speakers. So, whether you're tailgating or just enjoying a sunset, you're always the host with the most. But here's where it gets clever. Check out the exterior storage. We're talking pass-through storage bays that are huge. You can fit chairs, grills, inflatable kayaks, whatever you need for your adventure. And the best part? They're all lockable, and the compartments are lit, so you won't be fumbling around in the dark. One thing I really appreciate is the exterior shower. After a long day at the beach or hiking through muddy trails, you can rinse off before you even step inside. It's those little details that make a difference. Now, let's open the door and step inside. Because this is where the Challenger 3048 really starts to shine. The moment you walk in, you're greeted by a sense of openness. The interior is bright, airy, and feels more like a modern apartment than a rolling vehicle. The floors are solid surface flooring, durable, easy to clean, and it gives everything a premium feel. No cheap carpet here. Now, let's talk about the main living area because this is where the engineering magic happens. You see that beautiful sofa? It looks like a standard, comfortable couch where you can kick back and watch a movie. But here's the secret. It's hiding something. With a simple, smooth mechanism, those seats fold away into the wall. Yes, you heard that right. Hidden seats. Why does that matter? Well, when you're parked and you want to stretch out, you now have a huge open floor space. You can do yoga in the morning, set up a play area for the kids, or even roll out a sleeping bag for extra guests. It transforms the entire room in seconds. And when you're ready to drive, they fold right back out. It's clever, it's innovative, and it makes this motorhome feel twice as big as it actually is. Between those hidden seats is a removable pedestal table. When it's up, it's the perfect spot for dinner or a board game. When it's down, you've got even more floor space. This is what I call smart design. Not just pretty, but practical. Above the sofa, there are overhead cabinets with soft closed doors. No slamming, no rattling while you drive. They're spacious enough for all your kitchenware, groceries, or gadgets. And let's not forget the entertainment setup. A large high-definition LED TV is mounted on a powered lift system. With the push of a button, it rises up from the cabinet. It's like having your own home theater on wheels. Hook it up to the surround sound system, and you're ready for movie night under the stars. But we're just getting started. Let's head to the back of the motorhome, because the bedroom is something special. Now, I know what you're thinking. The bedroom in an RV is usually tight, cramped, and you have to crawl over each other to get out. Not here. Not in the Challenger 3048. The Master Suite features a residential queen-size bed. And I'm not talking about some thin, lumpy mattress. This is a genuine high-quality plush mattress that you'd be happy to have in your own home. The sheets are crisp, the pillows are supportive. It feels like a boutique hotel. But here's the view, literally. The rear of the motorhome features large panoramic windows. When you wake up in the morning, you don't have to go outside to see the view. You just open your eyes, and the beauty of nature is right there in front of you. Whether it's a misty forest or a sun-drenched beach, you've got front row seats from your bed. There are reading lights on each side, along with USB ports and power outlets so you can charge your devices while you sleep. No more fighting over the one outlet in the room. Both sides get equal treatment. Storage. They've thought of that too. There are spacious nightstands, overhead cabinets, and even a hanging wardrobe with mirrored doors. You can bring your entire wardrobe and still have room left over. And get this, there's a separate, dedicated entertainment system in the bedroom too. A second TV with its own soundbar. So if your partner wants to watch the game in the living area, you can enjoy your favorite show in bed without disturbing anyone. It's luxury, pure and simple. But we haven't even talked about the bathroom yet. And believe me, you are not ready for this. Let's be honest, most motorhomes have what I call airplane bathrooms. You have to turn sideways to close the door, and the shower is more of a spritz and pray situation. That is not the case with the Challenger 3048. The bathroom here is genuinely huge. We're talking a full shower with a glass door, not a flimsy curtain that sticks to your legs. A solid, freestanding shower with sleek glass. Step inside and you actually have room to move. You can bend over to wash your feet without hitting your head on the wall. It's a game changer. The shower comes with a premium rainfall showerhead and a handheld sprayer, so you have options. The water pressure is impressive. Even when you're boondocking, the pump delivers a steady flow. Add in the skylight above, and you've got natural light pouring in while you wash off the day's adventures. The vanity is just as impressive. A solid surface countertop with an undermount sink, elegant and easy to clean. There's plenty of storage for your toiletries, towels, and beauty products. The mirrored medicine cabinet is large enough to hold everything you need. And here's a detail I love. The toilet is foot flush. That means no touching a dirty button with your hands. Just step on the pedal, and it flushes. It's hygienic, it's simple, and it's such a thoughtful touch. Now, compare this to any other motorhome in its class. Most competitors give you a closet-sized wet bath. The Challenger 3048 gives you a real bathroom that you actually look forward to using. Trust me, after a long day of driving, stepping into that shower feels like you've just checked into a 4-star spa. So, what sets the Challenger 3048 apart from the rest of the pack? First, it's the innovation of those hidden seats. You're not going to find that in many other motorhomes. Most manufacturers just bolt in furniture and call it a day. Here, they designed a space that adapts to you. Whether you need more seating, more sleeping, or more floor space, it gives you options. Second is the sheer size of that shower. For a motorhome that isn't a massive bus, they managed to carve out a bathroom that feels luxurious and open. That's smart engineering. And third, it's the overall feel. The Challenger 3048 doesn't feel like a compromise. It feels like a home. The finishes are high quality, the layout flows naturally, and every detail, from the soft-close cabinets to the panoramic bedroom windows, shows that someone really thought about how people actually live on the road. Now, is it perfect? No motorhome is. Fuel economy is what it is, and you'll still have to learn to drive something this size. But if you're looking for a rig that combines innovation, comfort, and style without being overwhelming, this is one of the best options on the market. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which feature of the Challenger 3048 stood out the most? Is it the hidden seating that transforms the living area? That spa-worthy shower? Or maybe the queen bed with the killer view? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I love hearing from this community. And if you enjoyed this tour, do me a favor, hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow so we can keep bringing you the best RV reviews on YouTube. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. At the end of the day, the Challenger 3048 isn't just about steel, fiberglass, and engines. It's about the moments you'll create in it. The sunrises you'll see from your bed. The laughter around the table. The quiet nights with nothing but the sound of the forest around you. It's not a vehicle. It's a gateway to a life less ordinary. Thanks for spending this time with me. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and I'll see you on the next one.